Hey, welcome back. In this video, we will discuss about the logical AND operator. Okay, so until now, we have been working with just a simple conditions, right? But what if you want to work with multiple conditions at the same time? Then you have to use the logical AND or the logical OR operator. Okay, so in this video, we will discuss about the logical AND operator, and it is denoted by this double and percent sign. Okay, so what we have to do, we can do console.log, and then we can do something like a condition 1, okay, and condition 2. Okay, so this should be the basic structure of the logical AND operator. Okay, so what we can do, for example, this condition 1 evaluated to true, okay, and the condition 2 also evaluated to true. If I just do that, as you can see, we are getting true. Okay, then console log, then what we can do something like true and false. Okay, so it is getting evaluated to false. Console log false and true, that is getting evaluated to false as well. Console log, then false and false, that is getting evaluated to false. So as you can see, depending on these statements here, only when the two conditions are true, then the AND operator result is true. Otherwise, if only one of them is false or both of them is false, then that particular operator logic or the condition will be evaluated to false. Okay, so what we can do here, let's go back to some of the other examples here. Okay, previously we have the password checker, right? So let password equals to something like my password. Okay, now what we have done in that particular video, we have checked if the password length is greater than or equals to 8 or 6 basically, and also if the password does not contain any sort of spaces. So what we can do here, we can write that particular condition here quite easily. So if password.length, okay, greater than or equals to 6, and password dot index of the space equals to -1. Okay, so what does that mean? So password length must be greater than or equal to 6, and also password does not contain any sort of spaces inside of that. If that is true, then we can do console log of valid password or something like your password. Okay, password is valid. Okay, and then else what we can do console log your password is invalid. As you can see, we are getting your password is invalid. Okay, but if you remember, in that particular case where we have been talking about the nesting of the conditionals, there we have granular control over the feedback which we have been giving to the user. We have said like, hey, the password must not contain any sort of spaces and so on. If you want to have some granular feedback to the user, then you have to nest the conditionals. Otherwise, you cannot do some sort of granular console logs with this particular AND operation. Okay, awesome. So if I just do something like this, my password, okay, as you can see, your password is valid. Okay, once again, what we can do, I can just comment out this one. For example, we are trying to guess a number or trying to build a number guessing game. So let number, okay, equals to, and let's do something like 5. Okay, so what we have to do, basically we have to guess a number between basically 1 to 10. So how we can do that? So if the number is greater than and equals to 1, okay, and what we have to do, the number is less than and equals to 10. Okay, if that is the case, then console.log, you guessed a valid number. Okay, and else what we can do, we can do console.log, please guess a number between 1 and 10. Okay, so you guessed a valid number, but if I just do something like 50, then we are getting please guess a number between 1 and 10. So I hope that makes sense what exactly is the logical AND operator and what it does. Okay, so to basically simplify this particular condition to be true, what it needs, so both of the conditions here and here has to be true. Okay, if one of them fails or one of the condition fails, then the whole thing, this whole condition will be evaluated as false. Okay, awesome. So this is the logical AND operator in JavaScript.